In this video, we are going to show you how you can save 10% off on your next Chative subscription. Now, Chative or Chative.io is an omni-channel messaging platform and AI chatbot solution designed for e-commerce. Now, it allows businesses to manage customer conversations from social media, website chat, and even WhatsApp. So if you want to have a discount on your subscription, all you need to do is click on the link that we have provided on the description below. It's going to bring you to this page right here. Once you are here, go click on log in and it's going to bring you to this page. You would need to sign up, of course. Use your Google account. It's the fastest way to do so. And once you're done, you will be brought to this dashboard right here, and you need to click on settings. So once you click on settings, you're going to be brought to this new page, and you're going to click on billing. Once you click on billing, there's going to be a slide down. You need to click on subscriptions next, like so. Once you are in your subscriptions, it's going to show you the pricing for Chative. Now, you want to click on upgrade, whether it's team or business, like so. It's going to bring you this pop-up, and you need to click on coupon. There's a toggle here, like so. So you can enter a promo code. After this, you need to type in this code right here to get the 10% off. And as you can see here, you have saved 10%, which is $1 because it's $10, right? So you get to save $1. Whether it's team or whether it's business, you still save 10%, and just go through the normal checkout process and you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.